If you're a breastfeeding mom or someone who hunches over their desk all day or maybe over their phone, this is the flow for you. We're going to open up through the chest and it's going to be a quick flow. You're going to leave feeling restored and rejuvenated. So go ahead and get something comfortable on, grab a mat, and I will meet you in a seated position. Coming into a comfortable seated position, we're going to roll our shoulders up, back, and down. Starting to breathe in through the entire ribs. And when you're exhaling, pulling it all in. Let's do that again. Inhale through the ribs. Exhale it all out, cinching the core in as we do so. Keep that breath throughout our practice today. You're going to expand through the ribs and tighten in through the core. Bringing the shoulders up, back, and down once more. Gaze goes up. Maybe the nose trails up towards the ceiling. Opening up through the chest. Exhale, we're going to round the spine. Gaze goes down towards the feet. Inhale, we can bring the gaze back up, opening up through the chest. Exhale, we round down. So this is our modified cat-cow. This is really going to help us open up and feel really good. So go ahead, inhale, lifting the chest up. Exhale, one more time, chin to chest, making a C shape with the spine. Coming on to our legs here. So we're sitting on our calves. And what we're going to do is taking our hands behind us, clasping the hands. Be mindful of which thumb is on top. And we're going to open up through the chest, and maybe the hands come up off of the back. It's okay if they don't. Gaze goes up. And we breathe. Release. Taking a moment to stretch, reset. Opposite thumb on top this time, rolling shoulders up, back, and down. And then being aware of how this may feel different in the body. Gaze goes up. And release. Continuing our chest openers and wanting to make sure we're doing this quickly today, we're going to come into our neutral tabletop position. So wrists are underneath shoulders, knees are underneath hips, gaze goes up. Belly dips down but is still active, and then gaze goes down towards the toes. Pressing through the hands, allowing the back to get a good stretch. Inhale, we go up. Allowing the belly not to sink down. And exhale, gazing back at the toes. Sending right foot back, going to stretch through the right leg, really giving the calf some love, warming it up. And on an inhale, that right leg's going to come up. Left arm goes out as well for sunbird. And if you would like, if it's in your practice, go ahead and reach back for that foot and press up and back. We're a half dancer. This is opening up the chest. Remembering to breathe. You're doing a great job. Releasing everything down. Tap the tops of those feet into the mat. Bringing the right toes to the right side of the mat, gazing over the right side, making a C shape with the spine. Come back to neutral. Setting up on the other side, left leg goes back, starting to rock back and forth. Feeling that warming sensation in the back of the calf. Head and neck are neutral here. We're not looking up, not looking between our toes or anything like that, just down at the mat. And when you're ready, left leg goes up, cinching in through the core. Right arm goes up. If you took the option on the other side, maybe try it on this side as well, grabbing the back foot and opening up through the chest. Bringing leg down, hand down, sending the hips back into a child's pose. So in child's pose, legs can go out or they can stay together. Whatever is comfortable today. I'm going to walk the hands down. Forehead can meet the mat. Walking the hands back up. Coming back into that neutral tabletop. We're going to bring the right arm up, fingertips towards the sky. And exhale, going to bring it through for thread the needle. Now hands can go out in front of you, hips can go back, or hips can remain up. Untwisting from that. Opposite side, left arm up and through. Releasing the twist on that side as well. Tapping out the feet. Bringing the toes over to the left, looking over the left shoulder. Coming back to center, pressing up and back, downward dog for just a moment. Pedal out the feet if you'd like. Walking the hands back up. Coming back into that neutral tabletop. We're going to bring the right arm up, fingertips towards the sky. And exhale, going to bring it through for thread the needle. Now hands can go out in front of you, hips can go back, or hips can remain up. twisting from that. Opposite side, left arm up and through. Releasing the twist on that side as well. Tapping out the feet. Bringing the toes over to the left, looking over the left shoulder. Coming back. Reach the right leg up towards the sky. And then allowing the hips to go over one another. Opening up through the hips. Bringing the right leg down and over to the left knee. And back up. Bringing the right leg down to meet the left. I'm going to do the other side. Left leg comes up this time. Then bringing the hips over one another. So opening up through the chest. Bringing the left leg down to the right knee. Leg back up. And then down to meet the right. We can go ahead and become down to our mat for a seated position. Thank you so much for joining us today. That was a quick flow, but hopefully helped you feel more open through the chest and hopefully left you feeling restored and rejuvenated to take on whatever else you need to do today. So have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.